Edo State Governor Senator Gov Okpebholo don talk say the All Progressive Congress APC go get big restructuring to fit carry the plenty people wey dey come join the party. He talk this one for the campaign waka for Honorable Joseph Ikpia inside Esan West local government ahead of Edo Central Senatorial by-election wey go shele on Saturday, August 16. For the waka, the governor welcome plenty new members for Ogwa, Ujogba Wards 1 and 2 and Ile Ward 10. Oga Okpebholo come talk say when he promised Mr. Presido 2.5 million votes, some people doubt am, but now dem don dey see am dey happen. Say the decampees don pass the people wey dem get before. A constituent talk say dem go redefine and reposition the party and dem go call meeting for all the decampees to plan how everybody go work together to make the party strong. Governor Okpebholo come also beg members say make dem stay united and serious and come promise say dem go make grassroots structure strong well for future elections.
This man will begin from where I stopped at the Senate. You remember, before I became a senator, you cannot pass ECOMA. You remember that one? Yes. Did PDP do it? No! So now, only 8 months, between 8 and 9 months, how is that road? How is that road now? When PDP were in power, they said they want to kill them from Saline University. Students started leaving the school. Teachers started leaving. No lecturers, they started running away. Did you like that? No. But now that I'm here now, what is happening? The school is back. Is it not back? That is why it is always good to choose the right thing, to do the good thing. So now, because we shine our eyes, you voted for me to rule Edo State. That is why you are seeing the good things you are seeing today. You know also, because our president is APC, he's our father. So everything I'm doing for Edo, he is supporting me to do it well for you people. So for that reason, this man is going to Abuja to meet our president. Are we not going to vote for him? Yeah. So he's going to meet his father there. And by the time he's there with him, you'll be able to reason with him and tell him our problems. Is that not so? Yeah. Apart from that, we don't already agree, say, it is settled in Edo. There are 2.5 million votes we must give our president. Is that not so? Yeah. Are you people not happy? Yeah. Edo is happy. Why I am happy today, it is because the candidate we have does not talk like me. They said I don't talk, but am I not working? Yeah. Are you looking for somebody that will talk? I will not work? No. So, that talk is the energy he has to work. Since he will not talk anyhow, he has the energy to work. If you check all the people that talk, what have they done for us? From here to Benin, were we passing it? No. Now go. Are we passing it now or not? Yes. That road is good now. Are we not happy? Yes. Because instead of us to lie, we use that energy to lie to work for our people. Because if you tell one lie, you will tell many lies to cover it. So you'll be spending your energy to lie instead of working for your people.
Top APC leaders will follow the governor for the campaign wakana, SSG Umar Musa Ihilo, General Sesi Esekagbe retired, State APC Deputy Chairman Sylvester Agbobo, among others. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. Ekata Ojisoli, TMC News.